Today, we are going to guide you through preparing herbal, salted chicken. Let's get started. The ingredients needed are 1. Chicken 2. Red dates 3. Chinese Angelica tang kui 4. Ginseng root 5. Salt. Pour in a cup of water to a pot. Add in the red dates. Along with tang kui and a handful of ginseng root. Bring the pot to boil. Stir thoroughly. Let the mixture rest and cool down for 15 to 20 minutes. Season the chicken with half spoon of salt on the outer and inner of the chicken. Add tang kui slices between the chicken meat and skin. Break the tang kui into small chunks. Spread the tang kui onto the chicken. Pour the boiled mixture into the chicken. Use a bamboo skewer, seal the chicken. Let it marinate in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. Prepare earlier prior to serving. Wrap the whole chicken with baking paper. Wrap with another layer of aluminum foil. Put in the oven to bake for 2 to 3 hours. Remove the baking paper. That's it. This concludes the steps for our herbal salted chicken. Like, share to your friends and subscribe if you find these useful. Now, it's time for you to prepare and enjoy yours.